trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory.
Hello, Thomas.
Seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special?
Hello, Janar.
Take back
How
control
are you?
of your investments.
Very good, thank you. Are you excited for NFP?
Indeed. Maybe something gonna happen.
Yeah, price already going up. I'm already in position, as you saw in the morning. I closed down that one lot, but I re-entered. I was a bit hesitating. I still feel that price is going to go a little bit lower, but who knows? We are going to see today.
Yep.
So price is still ranging in that big ass wedge, and usually you know exactly when we get closer to the tip of the wedge, price becomes more volatile. And put some musica.
Yeah.
In a mellowed mood.
Hey, Andrea, why you don't speak with us?
Hello, team. Nice to see you.
Hey, oh my god. My big brother.
Hey, amigo.
How are
Everything
you?
is in line. No, it's difficult, but we go on and on and on. Everything's
Yeah,
good.
if life would be easy, you know.
Yes.
Well, when you're hustling, when you have your own business and stuff, then
Yes.
it is tough.
Yes. When you want to, the big bucks, you have to struggle a little bit sometimes, you know?
Yeah, the higher you get,
Yes.
the less
Yes.
oxygen you have.
Yes.
And every motherfucker wants to take your place.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So, buy or sell, Adrian?
Sell.
Are you selling gold?
From sell to buy. I have a buy limit at 26.50, and then I think it will shoot up.
That's bang on the. Yeah, that's my expectation.
Yes.
Let me show you my trading view. So I'm expecting exactly the same one. Bit of volatility depending
Yes.
on, you know, what the data is actually priced. Push down a little bit, pick some liquidity up, and then shoot
Yes.
up. But as said, this is not a financial advice, and the actual data can alter and will alter the actual outcome. So it is just a guessing game. But I think we're quite good in guessing, aren't we?
We have a new member, a new analyst.
Yeah.
With Coben. Crazy.
Big man.
Yes. Good guy.
I'm still waiting for him to take me out to lunch, you know, in his
Uh-huh.
Lambo.
Okay. In Dubai or in where?
In Budapest or Croatia, somewhere where we meet.
Okay. I will visit you both in Budapest. Yes.
Definitely. Or we go to Germany. He goes there.
No.
I think he goes there a lot.
No,
You know, I haven't had a good bratwurst for years. With some sauerkraut and
Yes. Sauerkraut.
and
yes.
you know, oh, Kaiserschmarrn. Oh my god, I love that shit.
This is Austria, bro. This is Austria.
Sorry. You know, same as people say. Bucharest, Budapest, yeah.
Same but different. Same but different. Yes.
Yeah.
You make money, huh? Made a lot of money.
Man, yesterday, have you seen the market?
Yeah,
It
it's
was
crazy.
going up and down, and I was barely able to. Well, I did close in profit, but I could have, closed way more than I did. But the market was just so volatile, and the last few days I was saying to everyone, like, if you can make 50 or 100 pips, just close it. Tuesday, I was in 95 pips of profit, didn't close it down, and I closed it in loss. 95 pips.
This is too greedy, bro. Too greedy. But
No, I was just lazy to follow the market.
that's because you got enough money, Tamas. You got enough. You know?
Yeah, I mean, that gives a kind of, how to say, comfort, so I don't have to stress, but a few days is enough when things aren't going well, so I start stressing, and that's the worst thing.
Yes.
But I'm using only, you see my position, I'm using only one lot on gold, so nothing crazy.
You are buying gold, correct?
Yes. So let me just show you. Yeah, I bought literally 20 minutes ago, so even if it's not financial advice, but I think it's not too late to enter. But I'm still expecting price to pull down exactly to your price level, to the pivot, 2650, 2652. I only entered with one lot because I hate to miss the train, and if it goes, then there's no stopping on the gold train.
Yes.
Hey, Mr. Thomas. I just want to say hi to you.
Oh, Luis, how are you, brother?
I'm perfect, so I just want to say hi to you. I know I'd be here. I lost for the past 5 months. I know I've never been in a live Zoom. I'm always behind the scenes, but I stopped really doing this. My head was fucked up from months ago.
Well, it happens to the best, so.
And I really enjoy summer and tripping Europe. You remember I moved to France and stuff.
Yeah, you saw snow for the first time.
Long time ago, 8 months ago. And I'd always behind the scenes. I receive your notifications every day. It's like my social media. I don't have social media, so that's my social media. And
welcome back, brother.
Yeah, I'm always here, but not here on the PC and stuff. I really got off, but one day at a time. I started a new 10K challenge just to start a little bit. And let's go. Let's see. One day at a time.
Yeah, absolutely. There's some weird thing happening with my trading view. Is your trading view working properly?
Yes.
Mine is just... I can't click on anything. Oh, now it's back.
I have the same problem 15 minutes ago, and I have refreshed my TradingView app because I'm working on my iPad.
Yeah, I'm in my browser, but my trading view is completely frozen down. I mean, I can zoom in and out, but I can't do anything else. It's screwed.
It's like equity blocker.
Yeah. What the hell is happening with TradingView? Okay, now it's back. Yeah. Okay, now it's back. Now it's working. Did you set a buy limit, Adrian?
Sorry, yes. I set a buy limit with the wider stop loss to 26.42. That's my stop loss. covered from the 1 hour EMA on my chart. It's at 46.
46, the stop loss.
No, 42 is my stop loss.
That's a very reasonable stop loss.
Yes. A little bit wider, smaller lot.
Khalid Sheikh, sorry I missed why you buy. I like excitement. I'm expecting, let's see what is the forecast. So one of the secondary reasons I'm looking for buys on gold is the probability that there will be an escalation in the Middle Eastern tensions, Israel and Iran. Since October, the 7th of October last year, for many months, the war always escalated on a Friday. It was very inconvenient because traders were losing money, Monday to Wednesday. Then we had some big data, gained back some. But then on Friday, most of the people started going long on gold because Israel was dropping leaflets that, we're going to invade the Gaza Strip. And for weeks and weeks and weeks, they were just saying that, yes, we're going to start the operation. But nothing happened. And imagine how many people went long on a Friday before actually anything happening. They were just trading on rumors. And then, Sunday open came and there's nothing happened. Apart from, they're blowing their accounts. Okay, I'm gonna close down that long position on gold, so it's minus 60 pounds. It's very big money, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait now for the news. Buying from 26.50 or maybe a little bit lower. Let's wait the news first and then we'll see. So currently no front running position on gold. I do have a front running position on no, maybe US30 I'm going to close down as well. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of US30 and I'm just gonna wait for the data. I'm gonna take it easy today. In the meantime, please hit that like button on YouTube.
Welcome, Thomas.
Dorothy,
How
are you?
Okay. Except for I don't like this candle with gold right now.
except for the
current candle.
yeah, I closed down the gold position, just gonna wait.
Yeah.
Soldiers of Yavavashi Bodila, hope, buy or sell. I'm waiting for a buy. But, how come there's 330 people watching on YouTube, yet only 65 likes? Disappointing.
Hello, Tamás.
See back. How you doing?
All good, fine. Just moved to a new place, so it was quite eventful these 2 past months, renovating and
mate.
stuff, but
And plus the moving, the boxes, you can't find your
yes,
stuff.
exactly. How about you?
I'm fully moved in. Yeah, I still have my finance degree, my economics degree, my finance certificates, but I can't find half of them. But I wanted to decorate the wall, but I can't find them, so I need to ask for a replacement. And I know exactly how shit to move into new house.
It is, but it's done, so But I have my degrees in a box probably somewhere else, but I have to dig them out.
Yeah. Khalid Shaikh saying that I wish I could take it easy, but I gotta recover some losses and get back into profit. Now, brother, that is the worst thing you can do, because now you are trading on desperation. Don't do it. Don't do it. That is the worst thing you can do. If you think, if you're trading to recover your losses, I guarantee you're going to lose more. But who am I to tell? What do you think about this, guys? Is he doing the right thing?
Step away. Step away from the keyboard.
Nah, it's emotional trading already.
Full margin. Oh, look at that. Price is coming down to our entry point, 26.50. Amar Abbas is asking, is it a buy or sell? Read the chart. I'm waiting for lower price, and then I'm going to enter into a buy. War is most likely going to escalate today between Israel and Iran. That is just my gut feeling, and based on previous experience. So I'm expecting price to drop 26.50, 26.40, and then I'm going to buy from a lower price. Khalid Shaikh says, yes, my strategy works amazing. It's always the psychology that cost me. Yeah, we are our biggest enemies. Oh my god, here's another mark my words guy. The ghost in the machine says, go to 26.13, mark my words. Oh, I love that. Very bold statement. But please, 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 if gold doesn't go to 26.13, just stay here, yeah? Don't leave the chat. What's the entry point? Look at the chart. So I'm first gonna wait for the data, see which direction it goes. If it comes down to 26.45, 26.50, depending on the data, I'm going to buy. So in case of a higher NFP number, which is what I want to see, I'm going to buy. And significantly lower NFP is going to sell gold back to even 26.13 is possible. Anything is possible. But don't make bold statements, because most of the people who come here with some bold statements like mark my words, or what else do they say?
Like the other guy was saying, mark my word, and no, he's gone. What was his name? You remember?
Sam, Oli and Sam.
Yeah.
Full margin Sam.
Yes, funny guy.
Yeah, but every single time when he predicted something, but the market didn't go to his favor and he was in deep drawdown, then he suddenly disappeared, and 2 weeks later he came back, and then he had maybe one good trade, and when he was on the right side, and then he was like, well, I was right, I told you.
Yeah.
Hi Tomasz, I noticed the news comes earlier in Nigeria. That where you are? I'm not in Nigeria, brother. I mean, I would love to visit. Maybe it's a nice country.
Jesus. Why?
I'm not in. Well, one thing I would go to Nigeria for is the
knows
food.
the NFP result, no?
Maybe.
Nigeria is in the future.
I mean, the best traders are in Nigeria, and the wealthy princes who's sending out all these emails like inherited stuff and need to send the money outside of the country.
They just need a sort code and account number.
Yep.
You have closed down your position, Thomas, or you stopped
Yeah,
out?
yeah. I chickened out. I'm gonna wait lower price. I lost 60 pounds, brother. 60 pounds.
Ooh, damage.
Yeah, that is too scared to tell it to my wife.
2 hot dogs in London at the moment.
2.
Hot dogs in London.
I thought in Oktoberfest.
Yes. Munich Oktoberfest.
God, it's a mess, isn't it?
Crazy. Don't like places like that. It's not my place.
It's always the evening is fine. Everyone is dressed up so nicely, going out for a few, lagers, and the girls wearing these nice dresses. But in the morning, everyone just puked all over, fucking hammered, wasted.
Yes. On Monday, I start a new funding account.
FTMO?
Yes, FTMO.
Did you blow the other one?
Yes. Everything's blown.
Mate.
I feel it, Jesus.
Yes, it happens.
I had an FTMO account, right? I was hanging on by threads constantly, and then
Yes, shit happened.
Yeah, it's gone.
Fuck off, do another one.
Yeah, exactly. When you start a new one, it's the best thing. But while you're trying to get out of drawdown,
Yes.
annoying.
Backtest the strategy, follow the leaders,
Exactly.
and take partials of the market. I think 30 to 50 pips, or you go with lower lots and go for the swing trade, like Tamas.
Yeah. I'm bad taking partials. I'm bad. I always leave it.
Yes, I'm good for 50 to 80 pips at the moment, but for 200 pips, I'm too emotional,
Yeah, me too.
Emotion kicks in, and
I know.
that's a problem.
People keep asking, go buy or sell. Well, read the chart. So I'm waiting price to come a little bit lower. Technical showing some very promising upward movement, but I'm mostly waiting for war escalation on a Friday, waiting for a positive NFP number, because remember that now the monetary policy in the US shifted from rate hikes to rate cuts, and that means that a higher NFP number no longer means inflationary, it means more good, because every central bank in the whole world has two mandates, like has a dual mandate. The first one, like if you go to any central bank's website, any, but this particular case is the Federal Reserve. So if you go to the website and if you look for the dual mandate, they have dual mandate of two things: price stability and full employment. Price stability means to keep inflation close to 2% or at 2%, but it's almost impossible to keep it exactly at 2%, so there is some room to wiggle. So currently the US inflation is 2.5%, which means the Fed considered the job done, and now they're focusing or shifted their focus to employment, i.e. full employment. So what they want to see is, job creation, strong labor market, strong job market which can accommodate the unemployed. And today, my friends, is NFP, which is a job market data. Philo Germany, the ECB does not have a dual mandate. Oh, let's have a look on that. Oh, it doesn't have a dual mandate, look at that. But the mandates that they have is very closely aligned to the dual mandate. Maybe they have 5 pillars, but it's one of the price stability. Price is climbing down to 26.50, which is going to be my entry point. Yes, I'm looking for buys, but I'm not entering now. I was in a position, but I chickened out. Man, booked 60 pips, 60 pounds loss, and now just waiting. US 30 is the same. I'm just waiting. The price is very close to the entry point. I'm expecting, as you see on the chart, I'm expecting a downward movement, a sell the news and buy the effect type of scenario. Sell the news, the reason is if we have a higher NFP number, many people still stuck in the ideology that the higher NFP is inflationary, but it's no longer, because the Fed just confirmed that they are going to focus on full employment instead of price stability. So that's why I think it's going to be sell the news if we have a higher NFP, but the fact is the higher NFP is now good. It's no longer inflationary, because theoretically we don't have inflation anymore. That's what the Fed said. So they are focusing their shift on the second mandate, which is full employment. 1 2 1 2.
Loud and clear.
12 minutes to go. Don't want to pass. Why buy? I just explained it, brother. Shabazz Sayed, hi Tamash, my view is buy side, but news will come sell. Maybe other buy zone for me, 26.33. Yeah, that would be very low. I mean, it's not impossible, because that would come back into the channel, and you saw exactly how strong the bottom of this downward sending channel. Dimitri Yankovic, buy or sell? Sell and then buy. So look at the chart, guys. I'm waiting for price to retest the pivots, and then depending on the data, I will
How's it going, Thomas?
Hello Neeps, how you doing?
I'm alright, brother. Oh, 11 minutes. I got plenty of time.
Oh yeah.
I thought for some reason I thought it was 29 past. My watch is wrong.
Change the battery.
It's kinetic. I need to change my battery.
Everybody wants signals. Yeah, but guys, you need to be patient. I mean, no front running today, waiting for the data. Some people have buy limits at 26.50, 26.52 at the pivots. I would rather wait for the data. If we miss it, then we miss it. Or if I miss it, then I'm going to miss it. There's another day next week, another week. So I'm not going to worry about, missing out.
But also NFP became famous for doing the revisions as well after they deliver the data, after they post the revision, and price is gone completely, like helicopter upside down.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Every single time they revise. Do you know, I show you, if NFP, when you go to investing.com, how to know that the data was revised. You go to NFP into the economic calendar, and if you look to the right, so you got the data, you got the numbers, and if there's an orange dot or yellow dot next to the number, it means it was revised. And NFP, almost 9 out of 10 cases was revised. And some of the revisions were significant.
It is
Very
interesting
helpful.
they wait so long they actually do it on the day of the next release rather than, a day or two after they realize they're cocked up, which never really makes sense to me.
I think it's just to do with the methodology, the calculation they use. Ghost in the machine. My uncle working at Goldman Sachs, so no worries. Full port sales, guys. Yeah. My uncle is the president.
Trading.
Yeah, most likely head of trading. 8 minutes. Is anyone out there? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Wunderbar.
Hallo Granderson.
Yo, super. I'm just looking for some music. Kasasha. Reggaeton, rumba. Heavy metal.
Reggaeton.
Do you want reggaeton?
Yeah, go on. Put on what's his name? Daddy something. You choose. You choose, Thomas. There you go.
I put the reggaeton.
Nice.
Only if you dance.
I am dancing.
Just turn the camera on.
Just not for the camera.
Oh man.
Jesus.
We have data in 6 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most anticipated non-farm payrolls. It's notorious account killer. So many people live got ruined and wrecked during NFP. So don't risk too much. Don't risk too much on NFP because you know, it is volatile. It is what it is. It's one of the most traded economic events. My expectation today, sell the news by the fact. I'm expecting higher NFP numbers. So you can see from the previous NFPs that the number in the last two occasions have you know, under forecasted, but is still higher than the previous in the last occasion. I'm expecting a little bit higher than 147k, which would be very healthy because we have the previous data and the forecast very closely aligned. So the forecast is not too far from the previous data, but it's going to be most likely revised. I think we're going to have a surprise today, or if it's slightly higher, what I'm expecting is price to pull down to 2650 and then move higher. Also, if it doesn't go this way immediately, what I'm expecting, and I'm holding the big bullets, the big trades, is the war escalation for Friday. Historically, if you look at the news, since 7th of October 2023, what year is it? 24? Yeah. So since last year, 7th of October, when the Israel-Hamas conflict kicked out, every single Friday, they announced that yes, we are going to retaliate. We are moving into Gaza Strip. Like, there was some news which most traders were waiting, so they went full margin long on a Friday. But Sunday came and there's nothing actually happened. So what I'm expecting is to capitalize on a probability that price is, or they're going to announce some escalation of war, but close it down before the market closes. So I don't want to leave positions open unless there's an actual physical evidence or physical you know, combat or something happening in the Middle East. Hi George. Alfred Swai is asking, buy limit at what price? I don't have a buy limit, brother, because the NFP is way too volatile to set a buy limit. But if I were to set a buy limit, I would put it at 2650, 2650. And this is not financial advice.
Beautiful piece.
Thomas, can I ask you a question, please?
Oh, look at that. Who's that? Coben Effects. Welcome.
Hello guys, how are you doing?
Very good.
Welcome to the family.
I'm a little bit upset, guys. Yesterday I told you 34. The price was very close to that, but unfortunately I missed by a couple of pips.
Yeah, you were right. But it will come down to
But
a
I
little
hope
bit
you
lower
make
today.
some nice profit. I really hope you did.
Up and down, up and down. Struggling, but now that you're here, we're definitely going to make money. Those of you who don't know, CommonFX is the best technical traders out there.
Thomas.
Yes, George, how can I help?
Yeah. Why is it that you had a higher NFP at the top instead of at the bottom?
Because I put it there.
I thought we'll have higher NFP, we should be selling gold. So it should be at the bottom.
When were we selling gold at higher NFP? 2 months ago, 3 months ago? For 2 years. And what happened? What happened 2 weeks ago on the FOMC? The Federal Reserve cut interest rate after 4 years, 50 basis points. So this is what changed. This is why now a higher NFP is actually good. And ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 minutes.
Do you have anything open, Thomas?
No, just waiting. This is my MetaTrader. Nothing is open now. Just waiting for price to come back. Do you see this wedge, Coban?
Yeah, to be honest,
I'm expecting price to come down to even 45, 44 is very much possible. So I'm expecting price to come down to around this area, but hopefully just no lower than 50.
Just quick view. So basically, yeah, you see that 2031. You see the price takes. Technically, this is how I see. There is some relatively close what the price taken out. Break market structure. So yeah, I'm waiting. Probably somewhere here. And after
we have 45 seconds left. Yeah, I can see that. I agree with that. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
No.
I have USD CAD sell and GBP USD buy. Let's see.
We have 27 seconds to go. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Non-farm payrolls. Is it out? 254. Okay, and I'm buying from here. 2.5. Yeah, it's a very strong number. So I'm buying. No stop loss for now because it's only less than 1% risk. But it came down to that price level. The lower it comes, I'm gonna buy more. Now entering into another buy and pulling the stop loss, and now adding the stop losses. It's a very strong number. That's exactly what I was expecting. Southern using by the fact. Let's see if the market approves my theory.
It goes lower, I think. Yeah, 33, 34. What I'm still expecting.
Oh man, don't say that because that's my stop loss. If it comes down to that level, I will be.
I told you yesterday. That's what I'm waiting. We have still limit at 33.
No. It comes down a little bit lower. Entering into another buy. The lower it comes, the more I buy. Okay.
Thomas, unemployment was lower, 4.1.
It's good. It's good. That means it's in line with the non-farm payrolls. So more job creations, less unemployed. The ghost in the machine came back. I've told you, N. Yeah, but wait, we're not here for for 1 minute. We're aiming for the long run, 2,700. Southern using by the fact.
Dude, the music is killing me.
Okay, let's read the news. Full margin buys. Okay, one position running in 20 pips profit. The top is minus 35 pips, so I think overall we are almost in break even. And now it's edging a little bit higher.
I'm sneaking out the back door.
Okay, and now in break even. Who's selling, who's buying?
Bye.
Still waiting.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
From traders in 50 basis points cut in November, just been priced in now.
50 basis points cut. It's because...
Well, they're saying that they're cutting their bets on that. They're saying that it's not going to happen now, so they're pricing that in.
Yeah, the labor market is too strong for 50 basis point. And look at that, 50 pips profit.
Oh my gosh.
Sales, someone sold at 26.50, you're on 60 pips. If anyone sold at 65, you are in 100 pips profit. Actually 200 pips profit, so you might want to consider taking some profit. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but come on, 200, 100 pips is just serious money. And now... do it. $70 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen, on the lowest position. That's 1,300.
Yeah, I got in at 39, so not far behind you.
Man, I feel that we should close down the position. learning from the lessons in the last few days. Rocha Luis just won $7,000. That's very nice, brother. Well done. Rob Cook is still asking buy limit. No, leave that buy limit, brother. Go away. Okay, who made some money so far? I mean, it's running in almost 60 pips profit.
Oh yeah, secured a little bit as well.
You're smart. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Hope it's gonna go higher, maybe 100 pips. If you can squeeze out the 100 pips, I will be a happy bunny. Alright, news.
Yeah, just I lock my 60. I'm good now. Just watch you guys.
Very nice. Okay, who made profit on YouTube? That is, look at that, price is edging higher now. I'm really itching to close down the position. It's 1,000, it's over £2,000 now, which is not bad for an hour's worth of work. And oh man,
just take half plan. It's gonna rally and rally and rally if there's a wall,
yeah,
right?
I closed down the highest position.
You did say you're gonna bet $1 that 1 minute after NFP.
I'm going to start taking profit, guys. I mean, it's 70 pips. It may go higher. I'm going to leave the runners, but you know. Oh, that is. So that is booked today. Let's see.
Anything at 40 will be a massive discount, right? Like 35, 38, anything around there is huge discount.
Yeah, I mean, market just proven that, you know, if price wanted to drop more to break the structure, it would have done it already. This was just a massive liquidity grab, as you would say. There's £2,000 booked in profit. Not much, but you know, it's 1%. Guys, if you made money on YouTube, consider investing in your education. If you want to live trade with me on a daily basis, if you want to lose with me, if you want to win with me, use the discount code in the YouTube chat. Think about the future. Don't spend it on strippers and, you know, hookers and booze.
Hey, don't knock my little joys of life. Okay, listen, man. Some things are worth paying for. You get education from that, Thomas.
Yeah.
You learn a lot.
Actually, did you know that there was a guy who worked for Enron, the company that went into huge bust? He was a high-level director. He loved gambling, alcohol, and prostitutes. He got one prostitute pregnant. He got sacked. His wife divorced him. But actually it was good, because if he would have stayed with Enron, he could have lost the 250 million worth of stocks options that he had.
And there you go. You're knocking what life has to offer. Don't gamble. Don't have prostitutes. Don't drink alcohol. And this guy just did that and made 250 million.
Well, he didn't lose the 250 million.
Well, he protected his capital, as you like to preach.
Yeah. Lost his job. Yeah, he did. He's the luckiest person. I mean, all his colleagues want him to bust.
Yeah, that stripper was clever.
And most importantly, he's not married.
Can you repeat that? Sorry.
I said, and most importantly, he's not married anymore.
All right, price is really bouncing off from 26.40. We have 45 minutes until New York Open. Thanks God, got out of the US short position. Now price is edging a little bit higher. Most likely it will continue higher because of the strong NFP data. So I'm not betting on US 30. I'm going to focus on gold.
On US 30, I'm waiting 42,500 and after the drop.
Is for me it's risky. I'm seeing more upside for US 30. Why?
Because if you are going to the 1 hour, you can see there is a huge gap, and that was basically the high of the week. For example, if we check the price now, it looks like it's just consolidating.
Yeah, but if you look on the daily, it's straight a new all-time high. If not today, then maybe next week. Based on the strong data that NFP printed. But guys, I booked most of the profits. I'm gonna leave some runners. I think we did well. What do you think?
Profit is profit.
Yeah. Well done, guys.
Always, you know, the profit once yours, once you realize. Before anything can be happening.
It's only profit when you book it.
Well done.
Yeah. If you have profit, you need to take it. Otherwise, the market can be taken. Of course, there is the possibility you making more, but who knows that?
Exactly.
I think this is one of the difficult situation because normally most of the traders using stop loss, and if you have good self-discipline, the stop loss will be taken. Not often, but sometimes definitely. But if you are not compound with the profit, but you always take the stop loss because you have, then your account balance will be less and not growing.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Profit, you have to take it. That's simple.
Exactly. True words from Koban FX, my good friend. So Olivier is saying that I think I should hold the buy position. I do hold the buy position in form of a runner, so you can see it on the screen. I'm holding that position as a runner, but I booked most of the profits, guys. I mean, 70 pips on NFP. I'm lucky that we managed to catch this. I didn't catch the sell, but I called the buy. So see you in Dubai. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna call it today, and I wish everyone a relaxing weekend. Spend time with your loved ones, with your family. Just forget about trading and money. Just go out and be with your loved ones. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thomas. Have a good weekend.
Guys,
See
thank
you,
you.
man.
Have a good one.
Have a nice
Bye-bye.
weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thomas, are you going to Dubai?
Only with you. See
I'm
you.
going. We need to meet with Andrew.
Oh yeah, the Dubai Expo. Let's speak in WhatsApp. See you.
Okay.
Bye.
See you later.
So guys, if you made money today or in the last few weeks and months with me, consider investing that profit into, something else. There is a discount code in YouTube right now, which I'm going to pin. You can use it. That has been expired last week, but I extended the discount because many people, they just got paid this week. So use that discount. It's yours. Join the Alpha FX community and come do live trading with me. Position is still running in 30 pips profit and 10 pips of profit. And I'm expecting some more upward movement. If you want to join the community, check the link in the YouTube chat or below the video, and hopefully see you soon in one of the morning briefings or live sessions. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you a relaxing weekend and see you all. This is the Alpha FX. I'm out.